Hey there, welcome to Lazy Life Hack. Just like us, with so many people using AI to write articles, it's no surprise that there are tools to detect AI-generated content. These tools are essential if you want to ensure that your content appears human-written. Using these AI detector tools is crucial for maintaining the authenticity of your work, especially if you're submitting it to platforms that have strict guidelines against AI-generated content. Here are top 5 AI content detectors you should know about. First is Quillbot's AI content detector. Quillbot is known for its paraphrasing tool, but they also offer a content detector to check if your text sounds too much like it was written by an AI. This tool analyzes your text and highlights sections that may appear artificially generated. Quillbot's AI content detector is easy to use. Simply paste your text into the tool, and it will provide an analysis of how likely it is that the content was generated by an AI. This can help you make adjustments to ensure your writing passes as human-written. It's a great tool for writers who want to avoid detection and ensure their work remains authentic. Next up, Sapling. This AI-powered tool not only helps with grammar and style, but also includes an AI content detection feature. Sapling's AI content detector is designed to be easy to use and provides quick, accurate results. It analyzes your text and identifies any signs of AI-generated content, helping you make the necessary adjustments to ensure your writing is authentic. It's a great tool for writers who want to maintain the quality and originality of their work. Third is Writer's AI content detector. This tool is part of Writer's comprehensive suite of writing aids designed to help you produce high-quality, original content. Writer's AI content detector provides a detailed analysis of your text. Whether you're creating marketing content, blog posts, or academic papers, Writer's AI content detector can help you ensure your work is original and high quality. Then we have CopyLeaks. This tool offers robust detection of AI-generated content and can help ensure your writing is original. It uses advanced algorithms to scan your text and identify any signs of AI-generated content. It also provides detailed reports that highlight areas of your text that may need revision. This can be particularly useful for academic writers and researchers who need to ensure their work is entirely original. By using CopyLeaks, you can avoid potential issues with plagiarism and maintain the integrity of your writing. And finally, Scribr. Known for its plagiarism checker, Scribr now also offers an AI detection tool to ensure your content is human-generated. Scribr's AI content detector is user-friendly and provides quick results. It analyzes your text and provides a percentage score, indicating how likely it is that the content was generated by an AI. It's a valuable tool for students, researchers, and professional writers alike. So in conclusion, once you've created your article, don't forget to check it part by part using the AI content detectors. When your content is approved as human-written, you're all set to submit it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy writing, and see you next time!